Listen to the characters and recognize the phrases. Let's begin.
大丈夫ます。頑張ります。
She said,
大丈夫ます。頑張ります。
it means, I'll be okay. I'll do my best. But she made some cute mistakes trying to use the polite form. Casual way to say this is 大丈夫、頑張る. And the polite way is 大丈夫です、頑張ります. You see how Anya made mistakes? To make polite sentences, we use desu, masu. Masu is for verbs, and desu is for nouns and adjectives. But Anya put masu for both an adjective and a verb. For nouns and adjectives, you can just add desu. For example, 大丈夫、大丈夫です。きれい、きれいです。静か、静かです。It's easy, isn't it? Let me explain about masu form. As I said before, masu is used for verbs. All Japanese verbs finish with the alphabet U, like う、く、す、つ、ぬ、ふ、む、る. When you make masu form, most of the time, you need to change the U into I or delete る and add masu. So 頑張る becomes 頑張ります。頑張ります。Let me give you some examples. 座る、座ります。着る、着ます。歌う、歌います。休む、休みます。Do you see how it works? Let's do some practice using these verbs. 書く、見る、食べる、楽しむ、遊ぶ、歩く. Do you know all these words? They mean write, see, eat, enjoy, play, and walk. Let's turn them into polite way, masu form. Feel free to stop the video to see if you can do it by yourself. Did you do it? Answers are 書きます、見ます、食べます、楽しみます、遊びます、歩きます. How did it go? There are a lot of exceptions, so you might have to remember it every time you encounter those words. One last thing, Anya said 大丈夫 instead of 大丈夫. 大丈夫 is used in animes and conversations, but the correct Japanese is 大丈夫. I hope my explanations made sense for you. Please comment any questions or feedbacks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice one.